If juggling appointments, staff schedules, and travel logistics is getting chaotic, TimeTap may have popped up in your search. But is it just another bulky scheduler or a smart, scalable solution? Let's break it down. TimeTap is a feature-rich appointment scheduling platform designed for businesses with complex scheduling needs. Think healthcare, financial advisors, tutors, and field service teams. It promises to handle everything from wait lists and travel time to class bookings and automated reminders. In this review, we'll explore its key features, pricing tiers, what users love, where it falls short, and who it's really for. TimeTap stands out with a suite of intelligent scheduling tools built to streamline operations. Two-way calendar sync. Keep your availability accurate by syncing with Google, Outlook, or other calendars. Travel time calculator. Auto-adjust availability between appointments so no one is double booked across locations. Shared rooms and resource scheduling. Handle classes, rooms, or equipment bookings alongside staff calendars. Automated reminders and messaging. Send customized email or SMS confirmations, follow-ups, and drip reminders automatically. Waitlists. Automatically notify clients when slots open up, reducing gaps and boosting bookings. Form screening and intake tools. Capture important client info during booking, create client profiles, and secure appointments. Course and group booking. Manage class enrollment, multi-day events, or group sessions seamlessly. HIPAA/GDPR compliance. Secure and compliant for sensitive industries, including healthcare and finance. API and integrations. From Salesforce to Office 365 to payment gateways, it plays well with your existing stack. Here's a straightforward look at TimeTap's pricing. Team Professional, $22 per month, billed annually, covers one staff plus one location. Ideal for solo professionals needing two-way calendar sync, custom forms, and reminders. Team Business, $40 per month, billed annually, adds wait lists, travel time logic, drip email triggers, custom booking pages, and a dedicated text line. Enterprise, custom pricing, includes multi-location support, SSO, tiered access, and enterprise-grade security. What users love, highly customizable workflows. Users, even in complex fields, praise its ability to match real-world processes, not just generic bookings. Powerful automation, reminders, follow-ups, and waitlist notifications are set it and forget it, saving administrative overhead. Compliance ready, ideal for regulated industries that need HIPAA and GDPR safeguards. Strong support. Teams consistently report responsive customer service and helpful onboarding. Where it falls short can be overwhelming to set up. With so many options, there's a learning curve, especially for small teams. Mobile experience needs polishing. Some users report lag or limited functionality on mobile views. Cost adds up with scale. If you need advanced features across multiple staff or locations, pricing ramps quickly. Interface feels slightly dated. Although powerful, the UI isn't as sleek as some modern competitors. TimeTap is a robust, automation-focused scheduler, ideal for businesses facing complex booking challenges. If you manage classes, field service visits, or group events, and prioritize control and customization, it delivers serious value. But be prepared to invest time in setup and maybe upgrade if you scale. TimeTap works best for operations where manual scheduling is a headache. Smart, secure, and built to scale. If this helped, tap like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your toughest booking pain point? I'd love to help troubleshoot it. Catch you in the next one.